Hey guys, it's Luke Playz here, and we're playing Subway Surfers. You can see on the big screen. I have never played Halloween version of Subway Surfers. It's a new update, but we're gonna get straight in. So pretty much, I have a Frankenstein chasing me instead of a annoying big fat cop. But yeah, besides that. And I just got this channel like a little bit, like a couple minutes ago. So I played this game for like a couple years. I'm a master at it. Well, I'm not the champion. I don't have that. I want the teleporting hoverboard. That's like the most important thing I want on this game. So, yeah. Very hard. Okay, get that order. Got what am I throwing? I'm throwing goal. G. That was like the amazing save of 2017. I don't like these things. They spooky. All I need is a W, and I completely achieve the achievement of today. Or the challenge of today. It's here the challenge, but it's really, really not. So, yes. This video is gonna take a long time to publish, like all videos. But I completed the challenge already. 3 daily challenges. Yeah, I got all these coins, bro. That's fair. That is. I died, sadly. Oh, no, save me. I didn't know I died again. And I don't have enough keys. So, I'm just going to try again, guys. And we're probably going to have, like, a couple more rounds. But first, this guy, I should really get a better player. On my iPad, I have lots of players. This is a phone. So it's really hard. Just playing with the flow. And please subscribe and leave a like. And check out Jack1738 Bro's channel. He's pretty good. He's really good at YouTube. And please check out his channel. I'm in a couple of his vids, so go check it out. I go by 2 names, Luke Playz or Luke Box. I go by those names. Yeah. The jetpack is pretty good, if you ask me. And this is pretty good, because then you get a gold and more coins that you already got. It's like so early in the morning when I'm doing this video. So last round was a pretty good round, but I think I got more coins already than last round. And now I died. And now I have 0 keys. And guys, this is the end of the video. So, see you next vid. Have a good day. Please leave a like and subscribe. And please check out Jack1738 channel. And see ya.